Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this tutorial and video, I'm telling you how to fix video call sound problem in Messenger. So pretty much if you're not getting proper sounds and notifications and all that stuff on your Facebook Messenger, this is actually pretty easy to fix on both the desktop, laptop and phone. And guys, pretty much to fix this, you press on the three dots and you go to Preferences. Alright, so as you can see, I actually have notifications disabled, so that might actually cause problems with the video calls and notifications and sounds. So both on your PCs and your phone, you just want to enable the notification sounds so that all of your sounds are working, as you can see. Also, if the browser in here asks for the notification permission, you also allow it. And after that, your calls and video calls should be working properly. And also guys, on the phone, pretty much this is also very simple. So on the phone, what you do, you just make sure that your pop-up notifications, the lock screen notifications, and all that stuff is enabled so that you don't miss anything in the app itself. So when, for example, you're getting a call, if you have notifications disabled, well, you can't really hear it, can you? So yeah, just enable all that stuff. And also as a safety measure, at the end, you can also restart your phone. A simple restart of your device often solves a lot of problems. Enjoy guys. If this helped you out, like the video and subscribe.